Hi listeners. Welcome back to Kokotjan channel. Learning English through stories. Now you're going to listen to an English short story. Then write in your comment. What's your suggestion the best title for the story? Let's start listening now. 80. Mr. Robinson won a lot of money on the football pools, but he did not know what the best thing to do with it would be, so he went to a friend who knew a lot about money matters. This friend said to him, "Go and buy some modern paintings. Their value goes up every year." Mr. Robinson went to a good art shop and looked at some modern paintings. He did not understand them at all, and thought that they were terrible and also very expensive. At last he saw a small picture which did not have a price on it. It was square and white, and had a black spot in the middle, and a narrow brass frame. Mr. Robinson liked it better than any of the others in the shop. "How much is this one?" he said to the shopkeeper. "That, sir," answered the shopkeeper, "is the electric light switch."
Find out the best title for the story. If you find it useful for you, please subscribe, give comment, and share this link to others. Thank you.